Cycle 3, Week 2, History. Tell me about the Pilgrims. In 1620, so we're gonna hold out the number 6 for sign language, your pinky to your thumb, and we're gonna flick it. In 1620, the Pilgrims, so put your hat on, sailed from Plymouth, England. So we are going to make our boat, so it's a ASL 3, and we're going to put it on our other hand and we're going to make it move like the ocean. And they signed the Mayflower Compact. Make a signature. And for compact, we're going to go clap twice. B for founding. B for founding Plymouth Colony in North America. Link your fingers together and make a circle for North America. In 1620, the Pilgrims sailed from Plymouth, England, and signed the Mayflower Compact, and signed the Mayflower Compact. Before founding Plymouth Colony in North America. In 1620, the Pilgrims sailed from Plymouth, England, and signed the Mayflower Compact, and signed the Mayflower Compact. Before founding Plymouth Colony in North America.